up? Welcome to my channel. My name is Amanda. I'm really excited that you are here to experience this unicorn unboxing. I did not think that I would be getting this plant, and I definitely did not think I'd be getting it so soon in the year. So I already ripped into the box because I was just too excited, and I told myself like, oh, I'm not gonna film. I'm just gonna go ahead and like rip it open because I've been waiting all day. But I'm documenting my houseplant collection on this channel, and that's something, you know, that I think it will be really fun to look back on and see everything I did over the last year with my plants and how much they all grew and how my collection has changed. So I decided after I ripped the box open that I was just gonna film it. So here we are. There are 2 plants inside of this box. I only purchased one as like a unicorn plant. I sent the wrong plant. She sent me a Hoya Silver Splash Serpents instead of a Hoya Serpent Silver. So since she sent me the wrong plant, she included it in this order for me. Here's the first one. So we will see if this is my unicorn plant or if this is the silver serpents. Either way, I'm really excited. And I'm so grateful that she reached out to me and was like, hey, I think I sent you the wrong plant. Because I never would have noticed. Like I never would have thought that there was some kind of error because I was still so excited about receiving the Hoya Serpent Splash, Silver Splash. Like I filmed it, it's the last unboxing I believe on my channel. And I'm like, oh my gosh, here's this plant. I've wanted it for so long. Like when I unboxed it, I was so excited. So it was really generous of her to include it and not ask me to send back the other one. Okay, so here is the first one. Okay, so this is the Hoya Silver Serpents. And I will hold up, let me grab it. And this is the one I got in my last unboxing, just in case you guys are curious the difference. So they both still have that like splashy variegation, but as you can see, this one is more like of a pixelated splash, and then this one is super, super silver. I do really love how silver plants look, but since I've gotten like so many Hoyas specifically that are silver recently, I just feel like they grow so slow. Am I doing something wrong? I also, my Wilbur Graves that I have is like way more green than silver now. I don't know what I'm doing. So if you have any tips on how to bring the silver back in these plants, I would really love it. It's so stunning, like these cool, like it's like a blue, green, silvery, I don't know, it's super cool. But okay, so there is my correct plant from my last order because I have an obsession with her shop. And so this one is going to be the wish list plant. Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh, I saw a picture of it, but now I feel like kind of nervous. It's fairly expensive still, this plant. So what I did to save up for it is I had a whole bunch of specimens in my Baggebo cabinet back here that I had been propping for a while, or they were duplicates. And so I just posted them up in like my local Facebook plant group, and I was like, hey, I'm trying to save up for a wish list plant. These are all like $5 or $10. Please help me do this. And there was even some girl that was so sweet. I guess I should say woman. She's not a little girl. A woman, she gave me an extra $5 than what her plant was. She's like, I had an extra $5 in my car, so here you go towards your wish list plant. But it never ceases to amaze me, the generosity in the plant community. Like people are always so willing to support you or give you free cuttings, or I don't know, just really be somebody that wants to like be empathetic with you if you're going through something, you know, like they're very good listeners. But I am very grateful. I feel like I am getting to know people in that group, and I feel like I may be starting to make some planty friends, which would be fun for me. But yeah, I thought that was a really cool story to have associated with this, is that there were so many people that supported me by buying my plants. I don't know. But anywho, here we are. Oh my Lanta. Look at it. This is a Hoya Gadungading Ghost. And every time I hear this name, I don't know if I'm allowed to say this because it might be copyright or whatever on YouTube, but I think of Gene from Bob's Burgers when he has like his little piano thing and he's like ding 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 ding. You know, like, I don't know why, but gadung gading, that's always what I think of. But yeah, it is so beautiful. Let me take the tape off. Oh my gosh, you guys. I cannot believe I have this plant. I'm so excited. I don't know anything about it. Like, I don't know if it's a slow grower. I don't know if it needs a particular light. I'm definitely going to put it in my cabinet. Oh, and it looks like it already has a growth point. It's very tiny, but it is just stunning. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. Her specimens, man. I'm gonna link her. I think I linked it in the last one too, but I'll link her Etsy and her website in the description below so you guys can check it out. I cannot get over her specimens. Like, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna buy every single Hoya she lists just because I know the quality of them are so amazing. Are you jealous of this plant right now? Because I feel like you probably should be. Like, this is a beautiful specimen. Ugh, you guys. I'm like mesmerized. Okay, well, that is all I have. If one day in the future I ever get to meet the owner of Hoya Treasures, I'm gonna just tell her that my house is filled with her black little containers because she's so great. But yeah, I would love it if you guys check out her shop and let me know, maybe in the comments if you do check out her shop, like which Hoyas you like the best or you're interested in getting. I was searching her website the other day, and there is a Hoya Walliana something, and that is so beautiful. I looked up the blooms, they're so pretty, but there's so many varieties on her site that I've never even heard of before. So yeah, I'm obviously not sponsored by her or anything because nobody really knows I'm here on YouTube besides, like, you know, a handful of you, which I really appreciate that you're here, but it's not like she's giving me anything to talk about her all the time. I am just clearly obsessed. But yes, thank you so much for being here. I'm so happy that this plant is documented on my channel, and I'm so excited to see this grow. I will see you guys all very, very soon in the next one. Bye.